the sunrise, I opened up my eyes, and at the first light, there you are, staring back at me.
Hi, Maddie! Welcome to the Christian world. I pray that you'll be blessed to be more God-fearing and happy persons. I love you!
In this moment I could stay forever, hold you in my heart just like a treasure, dreaming up our greatest new endeavor. Don't look back, we're on a
Welcome to the Christian world, Maddie!
day.
Ko dito sa inaanak ko, maging mabuting bata. For sure, magiging mabuting bata to kasi magandang ehemplo naman si Mac at saka si Jeline. Bukod sa magiging mabuting bata, lumaking healthy, hindi magkakasakit, at lahat ng dreams mo matupad. Oh, perfect! Diba?
Wanna be where you are. In this moment I could stay forever, hold you in my heart just like a treasure, dreaming up.
Maddie, sinasabi ko sa'yo, pagtanda mo, saan ka maniniwala? Huwag kay Ate Janice, ha? Huwag kay Mami. Yan. Sa akin lang. Sa akin ka maniniwala. Kasi pag naniwala ka sa kanila, sabi ko sa'yo, naku, magiging masakit ulo mo. Okay? So, love you always!
Today's a good, good day. Today's a good, good day. Sunlight fell, it reminded me that life can be so gracious sometimes. And I
Hello, Maddie. Sana lumaki kang mabait, magmatigas ang ulo, makapagtapos ka pag dumating ang panahon. Yun lang, lumaking malusog. At magmana sa amin sa ugali. Yan. Naging mabait. Yun lang.
At night I hear the rhythm of the ocean as it breaks on the shore. And I think about all the things that I am grateful for. And they say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you. And they say, hold on to this time we have, and let the light shine through.
Maddie, maligayang binyag ngayong araw mo na to. Ito ang pinaka-importante, pinakamalagang araw para sa'yo. Naway lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, lumaki kang mabait, at enjoy mo lang yung paglaki. At huwag na...
Little bit emotional when I see love unfold. Two hearts bound by reflections of the memories they'll forever hold. And they say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you.
Ayan, ang wish namin sa iyo ni Ninong El, sana lumaki kang masaya. Masurround ka ng mga people na magmamahal sa iyo at i-guide ka para sa tamang landas. At si Ninong may magandang message para sa iyo.
Sinasabi naman ng lahat, sana maging successful ka sa buhay at pumaldo ka sa buhay.
There are blessings all around you. Open up your eyes. Feel the sunlight fall upon you.
So, hello Maddie, ang aming firstborn, ang reason kung bakit ako naging mother. So, I wish ko sa'yo is sana lumaki kang healthy, maging masaya ka, at ma-reach mo lahat ng dreams mo. Dito lang si mommy at si daddy for you. We love you. I love you so much, Maddie Boo.
See it come alive. They say, hold on to the ones you love. Keep them close to you. And they say, hold on to this time we